Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Social Security benefits at age 62. First, understand that applying at 62 means your monthly benefit will be permanently reduced. For example, if your full retirement age is 67, applying at 62 could reduce your benefit by up to 30%. You must have earned at least 40 work credits, which is 10 years of work, to be eligible. This early application offers flexibility, but impacts your long-term financial planning. Next, let's talk about the essential documents you'll need to gather. Make sure you have your Social Security card and birth certificate readily available. You'll also need your most recent W-2 forms or self-employment tax returns to verify your earnings history. For direct deposit, have your bank account and routing numbers handy. If your spouse is also applying, remember to include their birth date and Social Security number as well. Having these prepared will streamline your application process. Now, let's explore your application options. The most convenient method is often applying online through the official Social Security Administration website. This process is straightforward and can take as little as 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can call their toll-free number, 1-800-772-1213, to speak with a representative. For personalized help, visiting your local Social Security office is another excellent choice. Choose the method that best suits your comfort and accessibility. Once you've submitted your application, what happens next? You'll receive a confirmation notice acknowledging your submission. The Social Security Administration will then meticulously review your application and all supporting documents. Expect to receive a decision letter by mail, usually within 2 to 4 weeks. If approved, your first benefit payment will typically arrive in the month immediately following that approval. Keep an eye on your mailbox for these important updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.